Hi, welcome to Knits Up. I'm Mindy, your hostess, otherwise known as Knitters CNY. I'm in the Syracuse, New York area, and that CNY stands for Central New York. You can find me on Instagram most of the time as Knitters CNY, and you can find a Facebook group for us called the Knits Up Podcast Group. There's also one of those on Ravelry, and I'm also Knitters CNY on Ravelry as well. I thought I would post a video about a couple of things. I got a picture today from a friend of mine, and all it said was Ollies, and there were big giant cartons of yarn in the picture. This is a friend of mine who knits and crochets and knows I love yarn, and just sent me the photo and said, here it is. So after I went out to dinner, I stopped at my local Ollies and picked up some things. And then when I got home, on my doorstep, there was an order that I had placed with someplace else that I'll talk about. So I'll show you what I got. I'll tell you what they have. What I bought was, pardon me as I lean, Bernat baby blanket. This color is called Handsome Guy. It has some purples, grayish purples. I don't know. I don't know even what color I'd call that, but most of it's sort of a turquoisey color. There were two other colors where I was three other colors. There was a gray Bernat blanket. There was a dark teal with brown Bernat blanket. And then there was a blue Bernat baby blanket stripes. And then in the front of our store, there were some other yarns. What I got was Karen baby cakes. I got two of those, and this is called Petals, I think. Yeah, Petals. So two of those. And it's showing more gray. It's actually purple and pink, and then another color of pink in there. Maybe if I pull back. I'm filming this at night, so there we go. You kind of get the idea there of what it looks like. And then the other thing I got was a sprinkle cake. And I just got one of these for just a hat. I'll kind of put that up there so you can see it's really blues with grays, and there's like some sprinkles in it basically. So that's all I bought, and I had a 15% off coupon. So I was very excited about that. Then I got home and there was this box on my doorstep. It is from yarnlane.com, and they're based out of England, but on November 2nd, it was their first anniversary, so they had free shipping that day. So I ordered a couple of things. The main thing that I ordered, because I wanted it for Christmas Eve. This will be my Christmas Eve cast on this year, if I can get it out of the box. It is everything that they promised and more. It is called Vintage Tinsel. This is Signature Sparkle from West Yorkshire Spinners. And it contains 35% blue-faced Leicester, which is a kind of wool. And then I also bought Zing Knit Pro Zings, otherwise known as Knitter's Pride in this country. This is 2.5 millimeter double points because that's what I want to use on socks. And then because I could, I picked up a 9mm Waves crochet hook because I haven't tried the Waves crochet hook in a larger size. So that's all of what I bought, kids. Ollie's also had, let's see, what else did they have? They had a bunch of skinny cakes in a few different colors. And then they also had, I saw a few latte cakes, not too many, but a few. But I wasn't going to buy latte cakes because I just can't get into fuzzy yarn anymore. As you can see, I like the Karen cakes. So the baby cakes weren't that far of a stretch because I can make a blanket, a good size lapgan with 2 of these. So that's what I have. There's some behind each one of these. There's another color behind each one of these. So I can make a lapgan with 2 of those. I have enough Bernat Pop, this color, to make a granny square full-size blanket out of 6 of them. And that was also an Ollie's special maybe a year and a half ago, maybe less than that. So I got a lot of yarn, kids, but I enjoy it. And when it's on closeout at Ollie's, and all of these, by the way, including the Bernat blanket, baby blanket, were $5 a piece, $4.99. So then you get 15% off of that. I wound up saving $6. So that was a pretty good deal. I have 5 skeins of the Bernat baby blanket, which is enough to make a full-size blanket. So that is the entirety of my video. I hope you, if you have an Ollie's, you go out and pursue and see what your local Ollie's has, if you're interested in that. If you're not and you just want to vicariously watch my yarn haul, that is okay too. I know not everybody has the budget to go out and buy yarn, or some people are working through stash, and that's okay too. You don't have to buy yarn. You can just watch vicariously and go, ooh, nice yarn. So I hope that you guys have a great week and you go craft something, because it is good for your mental health. And I'll see you next time, hopefully on Sunday. Bye-bye.